We have rolled out a dedicated layers panel in the Certificate and Badge Builder, so you can see stacking order, lock elements, and catch broken custom field placeholders before publishing. Let's learn how to use this update to create the perfect credential for your learners. Head to the Credentials tab inside the Membership section and open the Certificate or Badge Builder. Select the Layers tab in the left sidebar. Click the lock icon to protect an element or the trash can icon to remove it. Click rows to select, then drag to reorder them. The added control gives you faster building and clearer control, paired with fewer errors thanks to the lock function and placeholder validator to create the perfect certificate for your course. Now you can edit your certificates and badges with more detail. This boosts your confidence and control, improves your assets, and keeps your learners feeling accomplished. We hope you enjoy it.